just a girl. I heard many people say a woman needs a man by her side. But now that I've grown up, I know it was a lie, and I don't need no man to break me down. 'Cause a woman needs a friend who can love her and help her on the way. 'Cause a woman needs someone who can share with her the stars and make her laugh. Share with her the stars